Another day, another vlog. It should be illegal to be this hot. हल्का सा ऊपर होते हैं ना, हल्का सा जहाँ पे चाइना है वहाँ पे होती है. When those tectonic plates crash, it would be. Hello, my cutie patooties. Another day, another vlog. What a Monday. So busy. And it's so freaking hot. ऐसा लग रहा है I'm living on Venus.
I am Venus and well.
And bike पे it feels like आपका गोला. Ooh, sexy. Yes, so it feels like आपका गोला. And yeah, very fucking hot. It should be illegal to be this hot. I was checking geography the other day. ऐसे मतलब मैं पढ़ रही थी. So there was this equator line and tropical and Tropic of Cancer line. मतलब हमें हल्का सा ऊपर होते हैं ना, हल्का सा as in जहाँ पे चाइना है वहाँ पे होती. So it would have been so cold and would have been so fun. But नहीं, हम तो इंडिया में रहते हैं, हम तो यहाँ हैं. And it feels so hot by. And yeah, there was this geographical thing जिसमें बात कर रहे हैं कि जो अफ्रीका के साइड की प्लेट है, साउथ अफ्रीका और समथिंग, वहाँ से वो वाली ऐसे ऐसे से शिफ्ट होते इंडिया में महाराष्ट्र और गोवा साइड आके चिपक जाएगी एक दिन. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कि मैं काश ये ऐसे 2-3 महीने में हो जाए, सो दैट व्हेन दोस टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स क्रैश इट वुड बी लेस हॉट, क्योंकि फिर वहाँ पे पहाड़ बन जाएंगे ऑफ द साइज ऑफ हिमालय ओनली. Would be fine, I guess. But till then, it is gonna be very hot. And the problem with my bike is it is air cooled. और अगर मैं normal sandals या flats या फिर heels पहन के बाइक चलाती हूँ तो वो इंजन की गरम लपटें मेरे पैरों पे ऐसे छू के जाती है कि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि I'm literally burning. And ये सिर्फ मैं सुबह की बात कर रही हूँ. अभी तो I just started, so let's see how it goes. It's so hot, I don't want to put down my visors. कि मैं कोई बात नहीं, एक बार को डस्ट चलेगी, but not gonna do that. Very freaking hot, man. Very freaking hot today. Chandigarh, is it supposed to be this hot? It gives me Odisha vibes. When I was in Odisha, उस time पे it used to be like 49 in a day and at daytime. And at that time we used to travel by bus, office की. And God, let me tell you, it was one of the biggest nightmare of my life. It is the only nightmare of my life, I feel like sometimes, living there. But yeah, got out of that nightmare now. Oh my God.
Oh my god!
Look at the traffic. I left at the wrong time. That's why इसी वजह से ना I have to leave by 5:50 or 55 so that I can ditch all of this. But since I did not leave at that time, I left at like 6:24 today. So here I am stuck. And I need to get my bike washed because मैं कल नहीं करवा पाई हूँ. But I don't think I would be able to do it today either because of the weather. Not the weather. What am I saying? Because of the time. जहाँ पे मैं वॉश कराता हूँ, he usually is there from morning at 8 or 9 to 6 and he must have left now, so I have to go tomorrow, I guess, or something. We'll see. I'm almost home, like 5 more minutes and then I would be on my bed with the AC on. I was just thinking 10 साल पहले भी इतनी गर्मी नहीं होती थी जितनी अब होने लग गई है. Like I remember when I was a kid, I used to go to my grandparents' house and they used to live in a village and there wasn't that hot either because पता नहीं, मतलब वहाँ पे AC और वो सारी चीज़ें भी नहीं होती थी and there was not that much of global warming at that time. But now मजाल है मेरी कि AC छोड़ के कहीं चली जाऊँ. Oh my God, asphalt, that is called asphalt now. God, fine. Maybe I am pronouncing it wrong. This is supposed to be hot. What if we make roads white in color or make it some light color ताकि इसमें heat उतनी ज़्यादा trap ना हो, ताकि ना लगे. I feel like there should be some sparkles or some sparkler, water sparkler on the road. ठीक है, जैसे make something कि ऐसे पानी निकलता रहे so that ठंडक रहे. Like see, these people are giving lassi or something for the same reason. I love this concept in India actually. मतलब I don't know about South, but अपने यहाँ पे जैसे North India में if you're traveling, it's way too hot. You would find something like this. It's a nice thing people do. Oh my God, मैं ना वैसे हवा लग रही है और मेरे शर्ट्स के बीच में अंदर से ऐसे ऐसे जगह ढूंढ के अंदर हवा जा रही है and it is so hot and I'm sweating and it feels like ठंडा not in a good way, in a very terrible way because I'm not enjoying it. और हाँ, मेरे बाइक का इंजन गर्म होने लग गया है so my feet are also burning, so I think I would not be using flats or heels for a while riding. See, the problem is bike पे it feels hot, but what was I saying? But हाँ, in the office it feels nice because मैं निकाल के बैठ रहा हूँ या फिर whatever and my office is not like a corporate building, it's like a shed type area. अगर आप लोगों ने कभी कहीं पे देखा होगा, it's like a steel का shed and inside there are some blocks which are made like offices. So in my office there is AC obviously, but अगर मैं office से बाहर निकलती हूँ so generally it is very hot because of those teen shed. Even though उसमें cooling system है, what do we call it? I forgot the name. जो exhaust something like, अरे मतलब जो ठंडा करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. I forgot the name. What the yeah. So anyways, वो है but it doesn't work because it is steel obviously and it is tend to be hot when it's sunny or whatever, and I hate it. I hate going outside my office anytime. Like even for lunch, if I have to go to the mess, I would be like do I have to, because sometimes I feel like God, it's way too hot, man. It's way too hot. I feel like I am sweating. So let's just go. What the fuck, why are you coming on the wrong side? एक तो वैसे हालत ख़राब है गर्मी में and it's so hot. Sometimes it feels like कि भाई इसमें ना कोई झगड़ा भी नहीं करना चाहेगा. Even if there is a crash, there is an accident or something, look at that guy's exhaust. क्या धड़ धुआं निकल रहा है उसमें से. Do the pollution. चंडीगढ़ पुलिस, look at this. ट्रैफिक पुलिस उसके सामने वाले का भी ऐसी है, but oh my God, I might die in this heat. Terribly regretting the days when I said I'd like to have a bike rather than a car. But कोई बात नहीं, it is for 15 days only. Starting या 15 दिन ही होता है ऐसा. Then it will be fine. Okay, bye.